I do not get that. Why do people love her and not me? They're supposed to love me. But instead, they're just making fun of me. Why? Why? That fucking bitch, she fucking ruined everything for me.
Have you seen the memes about me?
Is this one about me?
I'm smarter. I am better.
You're fucking pathetic. Why was I
just
ever afraid of
A product.
You're fucking disappointed,
Disposable.
boy. Why the fuck does no one like me? I mean, I brought my daddy back to like me, but my daddy doesn't even love me. Why? There, my sweet baby boy.
Madeline.
It's okay. Mommy has
Madeline.
you. You're about to ascend, my god. And there's one last task. I have ascended.